Okay. Wow.
What time do you guys' morning start?
His starts really early. I usually work out around 9. Bye.
Bye. One click, Tori. Okay, pack fly. Come on, Tori. Come on, come on, come on. Relax. Go. Relax. Nice job. There's 2, 3 more. Pack fly, pack fly, pack fly. Relax. Go. Relax. One more. Pack fly. And relax. Nice.
How's baby?
Baby is good. We got really lucky with the easy baby.
Aww.
But he's been fussy lately for some reason.
You guys are like very calm, cool, collected people, so I can see that.
I was telling Aunt right before you got in, Lex is kind of overcritical of herself. I'm like, you're doing such a good job, babe. Like,
Yeah.
you don't have to worry. Just waiting for the 2-month shot so we can like start taking him out.
Yeah, I can't wait to meet him.
For sure. Wow, this one is responding
Swimming.
really fast. Oh, what you say?
Swimming.
I'm actually so bad at swimming. Front raise. Relax. Go. Front raise. Relax. And go. Yeah, front delt some. This one's fine. Ooh, might just need one on the side.
What?
Your face. It's like a...
I wonder why my right side is.
Do you sleep on the right? This is marking up.
I actually sleep more on the left side because I sleep on his chest.
That's adorable.
But I do sleep all like curled in, you know.
I might be a girl. All right.
I know, I try not to sometimes. I feel that bruised for sure.
Yeah, that was marking up in a certain way. I just took it off. I'm just gonna scrape it a little bit. I know it's so sensitive now. But your arm is touching the table already, which is a good sign.
When's the last time you've been to the dentist?
You know what? I was supposed to go 2 days ago,
Dale.
but I got so booked. I was like, I can't. I have to reschedule.
You're not allowed to skip.
I know.
I will never skip the dentist ever again.
What happened?
I
Did
went
something
for
happen?
the first time in like 10 plus years.
No way.
Yeah.
Was it
Probably
bad?
15 years.
Was it bad?
You know, it's not as bad as I thought it would have been, but I had to get a root canal.
That
and
sounds
a
bad.
crown, and my teeth cleaned for the first time since I was a child.
Oh my God.
But
Your teeth feel amazing.
yeah, incredible.
I actually like going to the dentist.
I know, I'm kind of obsessed with it now. Like, I feel now that I'm getting my teeth taken care of, I will never, ever, ever skip.
Do you floss every day?
I do now.
Hey, girl.
I wasn't, not every day. I would say at least a couple times a week I was, but now it's like twice a day.
Mm-hmm.
Now that I'm getting all this stuff done, I want to like stay on top of it.
Yeah.
You should put that commentary in there. Don't skip the dentist.
Don't.
It's not worth it.
That was actually one of Lex's deal breakers.
Really?
If I had like messy or like dirty teeth,
Yeah.
she's like, nah, you gotta go. But I floss every day. I go to the dentist regularly.
Yeah.
But there's a point in time where I didn't. Similar to you, like I think the biggest gap was like 5 years. I was freaking out.
Oh,
I was like, oh, I need so much work.
I mean, because I'd wear my retainer every night and I'd brush my teeth all the time. So I was like, oh, my teeth are fine.
Yeah.
And then they started hurting.
Grab your shoulder.
and-
I'm gonna do a little bit of tricep. At least the bottom here.
That feels wonderful. That's sarcasm in case you guys were wondering.
So your tricep bleeds into your rotator cuff. So usually when the rotator cuff is tight, your tricep is tight. And apparently Tori's is really tight.
Yeah. I have a really hard time engaging my triceps.
Oh, really?
Like a really hard time. And then when I do, they're really sore for a long time.
Almost done, almost done. I gotta do the other side now, really quickly. I know.
That side's gonna be worse.
It is.
Emotional support.
Okay, same thing. Grab the shoulder for me.
Tyler, we'll go to the dentist at the 10. What's your name? Davian Chan.
Yeah.
I thought you said champ. I was like, yeah.
Lovely. Describe the feeling. What does it feel like?
The feeling of scraping. It feels like, because you can hear your muscles crunching. That's kind of, you can put.
Does it hurt a lot, or it just feels weird?
It just feels a little weird. It's like the annoying pain.
The annoying pain? I'm annoying you?
And you're not annoying me. It's one of those, since it's like over and over and over again, you're like, okay, is it over yet?
You okay?
Yeah,
Okay.
I'm great.
Let's do the one that you failed was the snow angel. So let's try that one again. Arms straight, and then boop, looking at the space between. Oh, so much better. So we gotta put that side by side to see the improvement, but she pretty much
Okay,
has
one
all
more
that
time.
range back, and that came from here. Oh yeah, I can touch.
Spirit finger.
Let me see this one real quick. This one should be easier too. Quad straight back. Oh yeah, that should feel easier too. Cool. A bit, not like a lot, right?
Yeah, it's only more when I fold my wrist
Oh.
this way. That's when it starts in, well, I know it probably starts in here, but
Okay, here. Honestly, the wrist is one of the hardest things to work on because you have to worry about like the twistiness of it.
yeah.
I mean, my medical terms.
Twistiness. You get a gold star.
Twisty.
The twisty wrist. I think it's one of those things where you can read books and books and books and have all the medical terms in your mind, but it's more experience and just knowing people's bodies,
Yeah.
knowing how to work on it.
I think like an effective communicator, like doctors, I feel don't do this well. Like they don't communicate their knowledge. Like,
Yeah.
for example, it's like, Tori, we need to put your wrist in dorsiflexion to get to the extensors. It's like,
Any normal person would be like, what?
exactly.
Twist your wrist to the left.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
We got to get the twisty muscles.
When
Okay,
you get
here we
down
go.
to the bottom, that's when it's.
Here we go. Bonus round.
tight.
Oh God, that's scary.
Why?
Because there's bones there. Oh, it's super crunchy over here though.
Yeah, it's bad. That's what it feels like.
Oh my goodness. This is a very nice tattoo though.
Thank you.
Yeah.
It's a crunchy, twisty wrist.
It feels a lot better. It's like less crunchy. Try the hip thing that you like recreate the pain.
Yeah, it feels easier.
It's still there.
Yeah, it's just like have pain in my wrist.
Right here.
Yeah. Do I get a start?
You really just want the star. Okay, so down. Okay. Ready?
Oh.
Does that hurt?
Yes and no. Tolerable. Feels good though. Oh yeah.
Oh yeah, this is actually really inflamed on you.
Yeah. Yep.
Okay, now try that.
Thank you. Much better.
Much better?
Yeah.
All right.